Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Kamara Creates, where we create custom resin art pieces. If you would like to see how I created these personalized dominoes, please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. To create these dominoes, I'll be using Dr. Crafty resin, Artisan mica powder, less resin pigment paste, and also some Artist Loft acrylic paint. And also we'll be using the 28 count domino mold. So I've already mixed together my resin and I'm pouring it into equal parts into these cups. So here I'm adding the Onyx mica powder, the Ocean mica powder, and I also be adding a little pigment paste to the blue just to deepen the blue a little. And also here is the white acrylic paint. And here I'll be mixing in the micas into the resin. I could not believe that I did this, but accidents can happen. So here's the fun part where you actually get to pour in the colors. And I did this differently than I usually do. I wanted to see what kind of effect I could have by just pouring small streams of the resin and then mixing them together later. And also with this, I am not filling these molds up completely because I do have to add the stickers to the back. So I mix them just about full and I leave enough room to add the sticker and then a clear coat of resin once everything cures together. Here I'm going to be using the heat gun to blend the colors together better. Now I'll be using this popsicle stick to move the colors. The heat gun didn't do exactly what I needed it to do. This also gives the resin a cooler looking effect. So I let the resin sit for a few minutes, and now I'll be using my blowtorch to pop the bubbles. And here are the stickers I created in Cricut Design Space, and I've added them to the backs of the cured Dominoes. Once I finish putting the stickers on, I'll then add the clear layer of resin to seal everything in. And I'll also be topping off a few of the areas that needed a little bit more resin. Now I'm blowtorching one more time, just to get rid of all of those air bubbles. And spritzing a little alcohol to get whatever the blowtorch didn't get. Now this is my dotting process. I use Floetrol mixed with acrylic paint in order to create a mixture that I put into these needle tip bottles, and I use that to dot the back of the dominoes. And this is the outcome. These dominoes turned out exactly how I wanted them to. The colors ended up blending together nicely, but you can still see the contrast in the colors. The customer was extremely pleased with the outcome. If you all would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I thank you so much for watching.